Hey Cyrus, Bobsy, you different.
Fighting bad feelings like it's sunny in my day. Overcoming little problems, that's the only thing I gotta say. Used to let they get to me when they had something else to say. In a group with bad vibes and feelings in the red. Grown now, demon child, clapping back with pain. Wait, broke ass boy really followed me. I swore on life he stalking me. Probably watch my move, but I go blast and they take off from me. But he really testing luck because his money kill mafia, born with bravery. Shawty hate the motion, fuck you say to me. Take care of my game, that mandatory. My close to me, no need for sword. He walking tall, we know for sure. No time for hoes, it's getting boring. I would like to start a vibe, but you can't stay with me. Raised up by my mama and my nana, so don't cater to me. Cause the man treat the woman, hope there's no shame in me. And I know if vice versa, there'd be no thing with me. I fell in love with somebody and it was breaking me. Father wanna say to me, all I wanna beg me. Father wanna say to me, all I wanna say to me. Father wanna say to me. I chop the top to feel the wind. Take myself from other men. Talk to God for daily sin. Wait, you the one talk shit on me, don't call me twin. Shit ain't no whoever, cause we got to win. Still talk to God about daily sins. Praying on by many men. Gotta cop my twin new jeans. Sadly trying to cop a bin. And that's my motives for my goal, cause there no pops for me. No, there was no pops.